Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you some fun summer workbooks to keep your brain working and ready for the next school year. The two I think are great are Summer Brain Quest and Summer Bridge Activities. The first one I'm going to show you is the Summer Bridge Activity book. School stops for the summer, but learning never should. Research shows that many students forget important school skills over the long summer vacation. Prevent summer learning loss with the award-winning, best-selling Summer Bridge Activities. This complete summer learning program provides daily activities for 12 weeks of brain-building practice. Keep young minds and bodies strong and active all summer long. Exclusive bonus features provide activities that get kids moving, thinking, learning, and doing. The next one I'm going to show you is called Summer Brain Quest, and this one is grades 5 going in through 6. Stop summer slide, stay summer smart. It's fun to be smart. Learn all summer long with this personalized interactive quest packed with all new material from Brain Quest, America's #1 educational bestseller. Begin with a map that guides you through a workshop jam-packed with activities based on reading comprehension, writing opinions, ancient history, fractions, and more. Once you complete an activity, get your stickers and track your progress on a map. So each book has its sort of theme. The grades 5 through 6 is kind of like a deserty theme. And this one, I have this other one too. It's grades 4 through 5, and it's more of an underwater theme. If you love Brain Quest and you want to do more of it, you can get the Brain Quest workbook. It's even thicker, so you can see. It has way more stuff in it and a lot of more subjects. It's fun to be smart. Loved by kids, adored by parents, and used by teachers, Brain Quest is America's #1 educational bestseller. It covers what kids need to know when they need to know it. Jam-packed with hundreds of curriculum-based activities, exercises, and games in every subject. So if you're looking for some summer workbooks to keep your brain working, I would recommend these, and we'll leave the links below on where you can get them. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Pink Penguiny, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!